Hello and welcome. Today, we are going to go through the installation and setup process of Square Action Automation for workflows. Once you're logged into your account, scroll down on the sidebar and click on App Marketplace. Next, use the search bar to search for the application you'd like to install. Or when you find it, click on it. Click on Install. And select your account. Next, click on Allow and Install. A new page pops up which contains a custom menu link. Copy the custom menu link and head back to your account. Click on Custom Menu Links. In Custom Menu Links, click on Create New. Choose an icon and give it a title. Next, paste the custom menu link you copied. Scroll down, choose a sidebar preference, select your account again, and choose a role-based visibility. Switch accounts. Once back in your account, search for the custom menu link you just created and click on it. As you can see, our application has been installed successfully. So the next thing we want to do is to set it up. Click on Connect. In this interface, we have a series of tabs. The first tab is the Documentation tab. This tab contains information about the application. The next tab is the Tutorials tab. The Tutorial tab contains a video and smart cues, which will help you get the necessary credentials when setting up our application. The next is the Setup tab, and this is where our application is being set up. Let's get into the setup process. To set up your application, click on Start Setup, and from there, head to your Square account online. If you are already logged in, you will see account, but if not, you'll be asked to log in. As for me, I'm already logged in, so I'll hover on Accounts and click on Developers Console. In my Developers Console, choose any of your applications and click on Open. If you have no application, you'd have to create an application. Copy the token, head back to your account, and paste it where required. Next, click on Complete Setup. Here, our application has been installed. The next tab is the Support tab. You can create tickets and book calls with our support team in case you have an issue. The next tab is the Change Log. It keeps you updated on any changes that have been made in our applications. And you can also receive notifications if you toggle this on and fill in your email address, then click subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe. See you in the next video.